Okay, hello everyone, welcome to my new PHP series. So in previous series I made a template portfolio website using pure HTML and CSS and little JavaScript. uh, if you saw it, it's okay, otherwise you can see my tutorial if you want to make this template. So this is a very simple portfolio template. So here if I open it with browser, here you can see this is the landing page, and there is other about me page and contract page, login page. Also it is also responsive. So if you want to make it, you can see my previous tutorial which is named pure HTML and CSS. So in this tutorial I will just introduce you in with PHP, so how PHP work and how you can get started with PHP. So for that, first what I assume that all of you have XAMPP installed in your computer. You can see, so first what I need to do if I want to work with PHP, I need to start the Apache web server so that I can work with PHP. So in this video what I will do, it is just introductory video, and in this video I will just I will work in this section. So what I will do, I will store this information in the array, and I will bring it to this, I will print it using a two-dimensional array. So double for loop. So I hope all of you know that for PHP project, the project must be in a specific folder. Inside the XAMPP folder, there is a htdocs folder. So here I have to paste it. So after that, now, so first thing what I will do, I will change the name. As all of you can see, the extension is .html. So what I will do, I will make it .php. So let me do that. PHP. So today I will work with about page. So let me do it first. Okay, rename it PHP. Okay, now a PHP file will not work, will not open with browser directly. Instead, we need to do something else. So for that, uh, if as all of you know that my Apache web server is running. So now here I have to write localhost. Let's say local host slash the directory name, or what was my directory name. Let's see, the directory name is portfolio, so I have to write portfolio or portfolio. So now you can see the index file is open, so though the name is not showing here. So if I write about.php, see, now the about page is open. So this is the first step to open PHP file. So after that, what I will do, I will make this text and dynamic. So for that, let me open that file first. So about page. So let me open with text editor. So now you can see it is a PHP file, and there is a sign, maybe elephant. So in PHP file, what you can do, first let me show you something. Okay, so let me take a, okay, let me have some look about PHP. So in the PHP file, if you want to write PHP code, first what you need to do, you need to like give a PHP, you need to take PHP section. So for that, let me take first PHP, and then okay, so inside that PHP section, you can write PHP code anywhere. You can give this section. So first let's show you, let me show you. So let's say name is variable, and here is my Nero. Okay, so if I want to print it, so what I need to do, first I need to take a PHP block, PHP, then I need to call echo. Echo means print. As most of you may be familiar with print or something, see out, an echo means print in PHP. So what I will print, I will print name, then I will end the PHP block. So here you can see the dollar sign. If you write something with dollar sign, that means it's a variable. So the data type, whatever it is, that is not a problem. So now you can see that name I have echoed the name which I wrote here. So if I save it and go to my browser and refresh it, so see, now the name is changed. So this is actually just to show you how PHP code work. So I can write, okay, let's save it in row. Okay, I will not work with it. Okay, after that the main job is I will take this 3 row, not hard coded, I will take it dynamically. So for that, let me first before table, let me first take a PHP block. PHP, let's finish the block. So what I will do, I will take a array here. So I will name it, let's say education, and for array I have to write array. So it is a two-dimensional array. So for that I need to write array again, array, and here I will have my elements. So first degree, right? So degree what? SSC. So let me copy it from here, and in double quotation, as it is string, so I need to write double quotation. So then again, let's go to the institute name, let me double quotation, then let's say, sorry, it can be like this. So let me take a string. I will take a string for all of them. You can take another way, as it is number. Still I want to take string. Okay, this is first let's say first row, and now I need to take another array, and then I will have this information. So let's let me copy it. So if you want to make this template, you can see my HTML tutorial. I have explained everything, and I made this template in this tutorial. So after that so what was it? Let's say 5.0. I don't know why I did a mistake. Okay, I did a mistake. Okay, after now 1 2 3 4, now I need to take another one. So array, let's say BSC, let's say NSU, and then passing here maybe 2021. Then finally, I don't want to disclose my CG here, so I will write, so that's 0.00, 0.99. Okay, now after that is quotation. So now I have written this name, so I will print it here as a table row. So for that, here I need to take a PHP block. Okay, so here what I can do, I can take a for loop. So let's say for let's say it is for, suppose it is for row. First one is for row. So row is there will be 3 row, right? So let's say 0, then r less than 3, as I start from 0, then less than 3, and then let's say r plus plus. Okay, so take one thing. So this is for one row. Okay, let me just erase it now. Okay, this will after 3. Okay, so now another thing, For each row I have to print it 4 times, so that's why I need to take another PHP block. Okay, so here, okay, let me copy it again. Okay, as all of you know that it is two-dimensional array, so if I want to print it I need to write it write for loop twice. So I will write here C instead for column instead of R. Okay, now I have 3, as all of you can see that, and there is okay, if I go to my browser, so, okay, there is 1 2 3 4 4 column and 3 rows, right? So for column what I need to do, I need to take less than 4, not 3, it is 4 columns. Okay, so now what I will do, I will print here instead of doing this. Okay, what I will do, I will take PHP block, sorry, PHP block, and I will print echo. Okay, echo. What the name was education, right? Education, and here what row and column. Sorry, so C for column. Okay, so here now you can see when it is let's okay, let's consider, okay, let me just use it and another thing. Okay, okay, so PHP. Okay, now it will print 4 times. Okay, there should be one full of same again begin, and after that let me copy it. So after that table row it will finished, so that is for this. So I don't need this table row again, also this not necessary, so it will take dynamically. So now if you think that first it will come here and in this table, sorry, so before this table row it will take what how much time it will. So first let's say R is 0 and R is less than 3 is true, right? So then it will go to this inside this loop. So inside this loop there is another loop, this is for loop. So here you can see C is equals to 0, C is less than true, then it will execute this line. Okay, so after here R is 0, right? R is 0 and C is 0 again, it will go here and C will be incremented, so then C is 1, so it will print R0 C1. So that's how it will print each and every element. So if I save it now and go to my browser and refresh it, so see here we can see the value is now is coming from the array. So if I try to show you, let me make some changes here. So let me write it here, suppose 5, sorry, 3.99. Okay, let me write 3.99 and here let me write 2, and also North South University, like that, North South University. Okay, if I save it now and go to the browser and refresh it, now here you can see North South University 3.99, all the changes. So that's how you can work with PHP